But we're gonna give it up for all fucking fabulous three of us for Adventure Time!